This tutorial will show you how to install Candy Crush Saga onto your BlackBerry device. So first, open up your browser and go to sideloadblackberry.com, and from here look for the Candy Crush Saga icon. Click on it and go to the download link. Now hit the download button and save the file. So I already downloaded the game earlier, and we're just going to use that file so we don't have to wait until the download's finished. So I'm just going to open the file. Hit install. And we're going to have to enable the allow app installation option. So just go to settings, turn that on, and go back. Now hit install again. Accept. And now we're just going to wait until the game finishes installing. Alright, let's test it out. So there we have the game. And there we go. Thank you for watching.